Hi, boys and girls. Ms. Howe here for your last lesson for this week. We are going to go ahead and start with a little review. So when you see the sounds pop up on the screen, we're going to do the same thing as Wednesday. Just say those sounds to yourself. All right, so we have SM for sm, ST for st, SP sp, and SN sn. All right, boys and girls, before we jump into our spelling activity today, where you're going to be unscrambling some words to spell them, I wanted to just model really quickly how we use these patterns to spell. So I'm going to switch over here. Okay, so if I wanted to spell the word smile, I know that the beginning of that word has that sm sound, so I can go ahead and start sm. And the second part of that word is aisle. So I know that I makes that I sound. I hear a ool, but I need to remember that rule. If I have that long I right here, then I need to tackle on that silent E. So now I have sm, aisle, smile. And if you notice, you can use the same strategies for reading the words like we did on Wednesday to help you spell those words in the same way. So let's go ahead. We'll move on to another word just to kind of model. All right, so let's go ahead and do the word stuff. So I hear that st. I know that it starts with ST. I hear the which is that U, and F. But this is a funny one. We have a double F, okay? Make sure you're looking. Does it look right when I'm spelling it? If it didn't look right with just one F, tack on that other F. So now we have stuff. Okay, we'll do 2 more. We'll practice each pattern. Okay, so now we have the SP. I want to go ahead and do that word, split. So I've got sp, and then I hear the it, and then I know it is IT. So now I have split, okay? And we'll get one more for our spelling. Let's do the word snob. So we hear the sn, and we know that ob is the OB family. So now we have the word snob. Boys and girls, as you're spelling, it's very important to go ahead and write those chunks that you know within the word and then go back and fill it in. So we are going to go ahead and move right on into the activity. If you need to grab a pen or pencil, I want you to go ahead and pause the video now, or a pencil and paper, so you can go ahead and write things down if you would like to. If you don't need to write or you already have your materials, you can keep on listening. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and move on. Hopefully you have your pencil and paper to write down, or you have that memory going. All right, so our first word is going to be smoke. You can pause the video here to write down, or you can just think about how you would rearrange them. All right, so hopefully you had an opportunity to try to rearrange these sounds. If you thought about it, we have smoke. Sm is going to be that first chunk of words. So go ahead, check your spelling. If we can get it working. There we go. Smoke, S-M-O-K-E. All right, we're moving on to our next one. Stem. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to write this down. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at this word stem. We know that it starts with st. So we're starting with ST. Let's check it out. S-T-E-M, stem. All right, we're going to move on to the next one. This one is sniff. Go ahead and pause the video, write down if you need to. All right, boys and girls, if we take a look at this word here, we heard the sn in the beginning, S-N, and then the if at the end. Let's double check ourselves. All right, sniff, S-N-I-F-F. And last one, ooh, space. Go ahead and pause the video, write it down. All right, so our last one, we heard this at the beginning for SP. Let's see how you matched up to my answer. SPACE. Give yourselves a big pat on the back. You did a great job today. Boys and girls, after you finish this video, make sure that you're finishing up your choice board. You're either choosing the last space on your board that makes it Connect 3, or you're picking a new space on your board that you have not yet done. And we will see you again on Monday for your new week of word work. Have a great weekend, boys and girls.